Natural Reader and Speechify are two of the leading text-to-speech tools available in 2025, each catering to different types of user and preference. Natural Reader is well suited for students, educators, and professionals looking for a reliable reading tool with a strong desktop presence. It supports a wide range of file formats, including PDF, docx, EPUB, and text. Offers high-quality AI voice, especially in its premium plans. User can highlight text, convert it to MP3 audio, and enjoy customizable playback speed. It shines in desktop environments and offer a budget-friendly pricing model with a premium starting around $9.99 per month and a higher tier AI voice available for roughly $19 per month. Its interface is simple and accessible, particularly for those with dyslexia or visual impairments. On the other hand, Speechify is more mobile-centric and modern platform aimed at users who value ultra-realistic voice output and fast, intuitive interaction. Its standout feature is its lifelike voices, some modeled after celebrities, which are only accessible in its more expensive Premium Plus plan, around $200 per year, and Speechify support web pages, PDFs, screenshot, and emails, making it ideal multitasking and on-the-go listening. It also includes speed reading feature and a slick ADHD-friendly design. However, its free version is limited, and most powerful features are locked behind a paywall, with a standard premium costing about $139 per year. In terms of voice variety, Spotify edges out Natural Reader with slightly more natural and expressive AI voices, especially in higher tier plan. However, Natural Reader holds its ground with broader file support and a more flexible and affordable pricing structure. Both platforms support multiple languages and accents and offer Chrome extensions and mobile app. Overall, if you're looking for a polished high-end mobile experience with the best voice quality, Speechify is the better choice. But if you need a cost-effective, reliable, and versatile TTS tool, especially for desktop use, Natural Reader offers an excellent value. Your final decision should depend on your priorities: audio quality and mobility with Speechify, or affordability and file handling flexibility with Natural Reader.